Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about nature. Nature is one of the greatest teacher for learning the stillness. It talks more about ourselves. One of the simple way to attain thoughtless state is to observe nature. Nature seek all of our sense organ attention to focus. When you hear a sound of a bird, air, see a colorful flower, fragrance of a rain, taste of a fruit, heat and cold weather, everything to your body, it seek your attention to focus. In olden days, many sages meditated in forest, mountains. In their realization process, nature plays an important role. Because every other living creatures are living in high alertness compared to man. In most of our urban cities, it's very hard to find trees, birds. Don't worry about that. Just go to your terrace, go to some park, garden or anything. Just feel there, observe your own self, witness your thought while observing the nature. How do you feel just to observe it? If you're seeing a flower, spend at least 1 or 2 minutes to witness the presence of the flower without the thought. Enjoy the fragrance, enjoy the color, sensitiveness, everything. Don't compare or judge. Don't play any memory about that in past. Just feel the emptiness. It takes you into a deeper stillness, deeper presence. If a man stayed in forest for some time, that is means with nature, without social distraction, without people, awakening is quite simple. Because whenever you're spending time with yourself, you can realize that thoughts are lies. Awareness is the only truth you can seek from everything. Our mind tends to be very narrow, but our awareness tells us to be broad and open-minded. When you're connected to the nature, you can feel your own nature. Nature tells us more about our own nature. So start observing your own self. Thank you.